Today we will connect with you such a wreath. From flower buds, 3D effect. Foundation is already connected. 5 secrets of the perfect circle. Link will be down below for this masterclass. Thread ideal 50 grams, 170 meters. And crochet 175. Further, first row, I will knit iris with green threads in 2 additions. Hook also 175. Two air loop climb. Further naked and here same. Tie. Naked is now together. Further arch of 3 air loops. 3. And here also and 2 more columns with 1 cape. With common. Top. Now all together. Here's the scheme. First row. Given 1 air loop. And repeat the drawing in the 3rd loop 2 times in the 3rd. Naked. Just now. All together. Arch times 2. 3. Here same. Air loop, and thus tie in a circle. Finish this row last air loop, and the top of the lush column. Connecting column, and we can finish this row. Next, I will have red color, also 2 threads. Now we will shape flowers around our napkin. These flowers we will form here the 2nd row. Knit it, we will red thread. And I'll start by forming a loop. Now I need to go under any arch. And the first thing I will do is I will tie 3 air loops. It's an artificial pole with 1 cape. And now I need to tie 5 more into this arch. Columns with 1 cape. I try to pull strings. So that the columns turn out high. Two. 3. 4. And 5. Here I have 6 columns. Now I need to form popcorn. I go into the third loop 2-3 times. Top of first column, and here I stretch the working thread. Stretched out here, I got popcorn. And now I need here in this jumper. Here to tie 3. Big first big, I have 4 air loops times 2, 3, 4. And here in this jumper here, I tie a pole. Without cape first column. Further, bake once 2, 3. Here same, second column without cape. And 1 more picot times 2, 3. And here same, third column without cape. That's how I got a tulip. Next I do 1 air loop and down to my green row. Here's this arch. Where is 1 air loop? Here I tie a pole without a cape. Again doing 1 air loop and move on to the next flower, tying the first column with 1 naked. There should be 6 of them in total. In the second tulip, all subsequent, we go to the top of the first column and stretch here, working loop. And already from here we knit bake. Well, then everything repeats, and you and I knit in a circle all these tulips. Here she is, the scheme. I hope everything is clear on her. Finish knitting the last bud. Air loop, column without cape. Between colors, an air loop. And now I here's the top times 2, 3 here. Connecting column. Now only left. Refill the strings. And I have. This is such a wonderful wreath of these flowers turned out. Ready, it looks like that on the left side. But like this with the right. These are voluminous flowers. You can decorate the table with them. Collect we take by the tip. And this is how we fold. And now, here he is, our bouquet. And now you need to tie a whip. Here that's high, under the flowers. Like this, and tie a bow. That's such a bouquet. To tie such a rope. And I retreated a thread. 2 at 230 times longer. What is necessary? Bow tie rope with ponytails. And here form. Loop. I took the thread's iris. Unhook 1 millimeter. And you calculate. By its thickness of threads. Perhaps there will be. Increase the length by 3 times. Well, I'm here 230. If it remains, no trouble, cut off. And if not enough here, already have to bandage. So how does this rope fit? By the way, this way, you can type before knitting starts. Also very good, strengthens the chain. Now I show the reception itself. We are picking up a thread, this ponytail that remained, and here stretch, working thread. Again, pick up, free thread, and tie, working, pick up free, working, and very simple action. Leads to that. What do we get? Lace. Difficult at first. Then it becomes simple. Simple and fast. And at the length that we need. That's the kind of rope I got. 2 cm. And the ponytail, I left 60 centimeters. This is such a small bouquet turned out. Cute present to any occasion. And you and I knit further. And subscribe to don't skip my videos.